Okay, we're in the process of taking this cabinet out the corner. You can see, took the doors off of this wardrobe. It's kind of hard to see right now. Took the doors off and took that bottom panel out, and below there is an outdoor shower, which gives me a water supply for the refrigerator, for the washing machine that's going in here. And to get enough room, I need to take this trim piece off. And I've eliminated all the trim molding. Now I'm in the process of getting this thing cut off so that I can remove it. Okay, now that I've removed the trim molding, I have plenty enough room now to put my washing machine in. So you can see these cabinets are not built very strong. So what I did was I added a couple of strips down at the bottom there for extra support to the floor, because this washing machine is going to be riding right here, so I want to make sure that there's enough strength there to hold the thing up. Okay, you can see I've got all my water lines tied in. I've got my hot and cold water line running up, and right here is the drain line. It's going to attach to the back of the washing machine. Now I just need to put my top on it, and as you can see, I had to run everything under that drawer space, and right here an access panel where all the lines run down underneath. There's my drain line. And I'll just cover that back up and it'll all be done. Okay, so now you see I ran the drain line, which is just a garden hose. Okay, so now you can see where that drain hose right here comes through the floor, and I've got it tied into the gray water tank. Okay, here it is, hooked up and running. Still have a little hanging space up here. Of course, the wife's side, she's got her full side. Lost a little bit of wardrobe area, but we'll manage. At least now we have a washing machine. Wife happy, everybody's happy.